interview course, and I found it very useful. The morning started off with tailored information regarding the interviews and what you should be learning, and I found that was all relevant information. I then found the afternoon was very useful, as you could apply the stuff that you learned in the morning and see how you do, and the feedback that you receive is very personalised and informative, and I recommend this course to anyone else.
I think it's really good. It's very interactive. It's in a lot of detail actually. I think it's important that we're able to kind of familiarise ourselves with like the MMIs, how it's structured, information relating to how to actually go about answering the questions. I think it's also important that we have like a grasp of the full application process as well. So not only the MMI but also like the personal statements, the BMATs, and kind of everything leading up to the MMI. So I'd say today was a good opportunity for us to really have that understanding of like the whole process and actually put that into practice, particularly with the actual MMI itself. So it's been great. I was asked kind of an ethical scenario. I think two ethical scenarios actually. I've done a role play and I've also done like a communication station as well. And I'm not sure how many stations that is that I've mentioned, but I've got one session. It was good. It was really informative. We received a lot of information about like the interview, what to write in a personal statement. It was very well, it was very detailed, and obviously it's been presented by people who've been through the process as well, so they kind of know the ins and outs, and kind of they know what the admissions team is looking for and that kind of thing. So they have the experience, and they're trying to like help us in developing ourselves so that we too can succeed in whatever. People who are interested in medicine, people who maybe struggle with like interviews and that kind of thing, so I'd recommend it to those that kind of people.
I think the event is very well set up from the start. It starts off at about 10 o'clock and then runs to about 6, so it's very good to get more information on MMIs, get more information on how to apply as a graduate or undergraduate. I think the event is very nicely organised with lots of professional people running the course. So if you're considering coming to this, two stations already, and I'm waiting on a rest station here. And one of the stations was regarding role-playing, so you as being a GP practitioner doing a situation sort of kind of station. The second one was regarding coursework and plagiarism type of so just considering more principles and things like that. So two stations I've been to already.